Hi, welcome to the another video. First of all, I want to say thank you to you all. You really like my videos. God bless you. This is introduction. I make a video. Actually, I make two videos about Uber Eats account, how to create it. So thank you so much for your love. You sending me too many messages. You stuck here and there, but I just finished with Usman brother. I did his account. I make account for other people before as well. I don't have actually any difficulty. I make his account. I make all the videos. I went through all his application and make the video. I hope so. This is going to be benefit for you. Please watch it till to the end. So the people having a difficulty when they fill the form introduction, so please watch that one. And this other option was video verification of their identification. They stuck there this simple step as well. And other they stuck on the d-veri check code. I explained what to do in that case, and the right to work share code as well. And the mostly people stuck on the sterling when they do the basic check, background check. They stuck there as well. That is was very simple. It was it went very smoothly. So please watch this video till to the end. And if you stuck anywhere, so try to contact with the Uber Eats or Stelling team. They are very good as well. They reply. um, so thank you so much for watching this video, and hope so. I pray that your this process will go smoothly and you will get your account active and you make some lot of good money. Someone come to my office, so I'm going to start his application. So I will go through with him and I will make the video as well. So I applied two account before. I did not see any kind of problem. Sometimes it's difficult because they reject DVLA check code. Then you have to do in different way, maybe print out in PDF and upload it. And the video verification, so you have to do properly. And the DBS as well, little bit difficult to do it, but I'm going to go through with all the process. So first we're going to start. First we need to register. Let's go to that website. You make sure you're on this website. So get started, you can do on the mobile as well. So you're going to put your phone number or the email address. Make sure if you make your account before and you had a problem, you can then make sure then you do with a different email and the phone number. So when you put your number, then they send you the code, so you just put that code inside. Then after that you have to put your email address here. After that you need to put your name, first name and surname. Then you have to accept this one. Now is set now. Then you can press next. So here is important if you want to do with the private hire. This is not private hire. Make sure you select the right one, because so delivery with Uber Eats, bicycle, motorbike or car. So I'm going to select with bicycle now at the moment. So I'm selecting Uber Eats bicycle over here. Then press continue. Then just you have to agree this one. I confirm and continue. Then this is, I would say that most difficult part. I never felt any difficulty to doing this one. I don't know, the amount of messages I'm receiving, the number of messages I'm receiving is too many. So I can understand people having a problem. So here, so now is my advice to open in the mobile, because it's going to be easy, but I'm using on the laptop. But it's better to on the mobile because you can do things easily. So here you have to do identification document, a profile photo, bank statement, appropriate equipment for food, transportation is this easy. First, so we do the first step by step. Okay, Asman brother is with me, so I'm going to upload his document now, so you can see on the screen as well. So if you have a driving license, my advice to upload the driving license. But if you have British passport, then upload the British passport, because it's going to be easy, straightforward. But if you don't have British passport, then upload the driving license. But if you don't have a driving license, yeah, so do upload the passport. Now we uploading the profile photo, so make sure you take the clear picture with the, if it's white background, it's going to be better. Okay, so we took the picture of the driving license. If you have passport, passport. Then we took Usman brother picture as well. So now it's asking for the bank statement. Yeah, so you upload the bank statement. So you can go to your mobile and just download any within 3 months bank statement, and you need to upload that first page. So you can see that whatever you uploading it, identification document is in review, profile photo is in review. It's going to take about some hours, I think so. So we're going to do the next step. We can apply for the text setting here. A lot of people do mistake in the text setting. How you have to select individual. Please don't select legal entity, otherwise it's going to be difficult because you are individual, you're not a company. So individual, just put your name. You are not company, just put your name. About 100 message I received so far within 3 months about the company. Not company is your name, and your address, just put it over here. That's it. So for the VAT, if you earning more than 90K, then you should select this one. I don't think so you can earn more than 90 in this business, in this job. Just you tick. It's going to be already ticked, so you should not untick here because you're not going to make more than 90K. So next is asking for the partner abroad process. They're going to tell you about some step what to do. If you want to watch this one, you can. So yeah, it's better to do this one because you're gonna find out how you're gonna do the delivery. I'm gonna skip over here. So we done this one now. So asking for the next step for this one. We're gonna click this. So if you don't have a bag, so you can confirm. So we have a bag. So I confirm I have appropriate equipment. Or you can just go to third party suppliers you can buy, and there's a lot of used you can buy from Gumtree, eBay, Facebook. You don't need to buy a new one. It's up to you totally. Now a lot of people ask about this stuck over here, but this is now up to Uber now, so it's gonna take some hours, sometimes hours, or maybe day 1 or 2 days. So they're gonna review. If they need more document, you will be able to see over here. Now this background check, so they will send you an email now. So you should not worry. Please don't message me. Just wait for the Uber. They will email you. Then you can apply for the DBS. So at the moment, the document is in review. So if they need something else, they will let you know. Otherwise, they will send you the email to do the background check. Okay. So after a couple of hours, you can see we have um video verification of your ID. So we need to do that one. This is very important. A lot of people struggling here. I don't know why, but we will try to do it. No, because we upload the driving lessons as a ID, so we have to do the check code as well. A lot of people are struggling on the check code. Then the background, we have not received any background check yet. I think when we do these ones, then we might receive the DBS check email. So let's do these step now. Video verification. Okay, so when you click on the video verification, so it is telling you you have to upload the same document which you upload before. So we upload the driving license as the ID. So that's why they're asking do the same one. If you do the passport, then it's going to be maybe problem then. So it's saying photo comparison software or human review. I'm going to select the human review because it's going to be quick. So it will take you to the another browser. Just is saying then start verifying. Just click there, just follow the step. So it is showing us here identity card, passport, driving license, resident permit. Because we upload the driving license, so we need to select the driving license over here. Yeah, so we done video verification. So still is showing recommended next step, but we done it, is verified, but they will review it. So we check the DVLA electronic counterpart. So what we did, we just print this out whole thing, then we take the live picture. Same with the share code, we print this out and take the live picture, and other is completed. So finger cross. Let's see. uh, at the moment things going well. Okay, so we done this part, so you can see that all this step is completed. I don't know what's wrong. I'm receiving too many messages about the DVLA check code and the right to work share code. So what I did, I just print out these. You can see that this is a share code. Just print this out and DVLA check code. So you just print out and take the live picture from mobile and just upload it. That's it. And the video verification, it was just we done in 30 seconds. You just take the picture uh, of your driving license or the passport, whatever, so you can finish in 30 seconds. So it will take time, so but it will show on the app that it's still processing. So don't worry, about six in within 6 hours it will be completed. So after 6 hours you can see this is completed. Now we're going to do the DBS now. So the DBS is not little bit difficult, but it's going to be easy if you follow the step. Now we're going to do the background check, which is an important part. So when you click this link, we just doing now on the mobile, so I can't show you here. So just you click and first you need to register. Put the same email which you just registered with Uber. Put the password, then you will receive an email to verify, to confirm. So when you confirm, then you can log in and just fill the form. Just they will ask your 5 years old address. If you're not living in the UK, you can put your country address, it will be okay, and put all the details. It's very simple. So then after that it will ask you to upload the document, your right to work, your passport, or whatever they're asking, just upload that one. So we making the payment now. So before I did the last year, they was not taking any payment. Now you have to pay 41 something pence. This is the last step. When you make the payment, then that's it. We're making the payment now. Yeah, Suman brother just he left now. We finish his background check. So again, I don't understand why you guys having a difficulty if you watch this video, because I make two videos. A lot of people having a difficulty about video verification. So again, I'm going to repeat it because I receiving too many messages. So for the video verification, just when you done that, just wait. I did with the driving license. So they say take the mobile and just you take the first front picture, then you have to tilt a little bit. They show in the video how to do it. Just follow that one, then do the with the background. So when you done that, it will show you do that again, but you no need to. If you gonna do click that link, it will show you that it's done or the link is expired. So after 1 day it will say it's approved. If it's not approved, then you have to do that again, but it should be okay because it was okay with me. Then again, the DVLA check code, print it out and take the live picture. It was okay for me. But if you don't have a driving license, they will not ask that DVLA check code. And the share code, right to work, a lot of people have a share code. If you don't have a UK passport, then this will ask the share code. Print this out and take the live picture. It will be okay as well. Then the lastly was the background check. So when you receive an email, then you click on that email. The first step, you register. So you register with the when you register, then you confirm your email. Then the next step will be that they say how you going to verify this. Then you select your number. Don't select the app because app is a little bit complicated. When you select the text, they will send you the text on your phone and it will be verified. Then you give the details. It's very simple. Then the next step, you have to upload the document. Then when you upload the document, then you pay the fees. Now they are charging the fees as well, and you done. Then you have to wait. It's going to take about 2 days. Sometimes it's finished in 2 days, sometimes it's take a month as well. Just you need to wait. They might send you the, oh, you have to upload that document, but you check. If you upload that one, you should be okay because they keep sending the email. Hope so you understand, and it will be benefit for you. Okay, so this comes up now. So it's asking for to verify your photo. So it took about 7 days to verify DPS background check. So let's do the verify your photo. So after verifying the photo, so they can say you can go. Let's say what is going to be happen. You can see this yellow, orange, red is mean is busy now. So yeah, So I make some videos how to do the first job. If you wanna search my video, write Uber Eats SAPCO, you'll be able to see my video how to do the first delivery. Yeah, so I did it. So it was so easy, not hard. I don't know why people are struggling in some steps. So I just did third times actually, and it was all okay, went very smoothly. There's a lot of couple of things I spoke already in my other video, first video, which you will be able to find it. If you click these three lines, what is that, and what some other things as well. Yeah, thank you so much for watching my video, and hope so you'll be able to make the account as well. If you stuck somewhere, it means you did something wrong, and you have to speak with Uber. And if your account is stuck, you cannot do anything, then it's better to make a new account with the new email and the phone number. So this account I make it, that person attempted twice. He first did by himself, the other someone else helped him as well, so they could not open the account. But I just use a different email and the phone number, and we able to open his account. Thank you so much. Hope so you understand now and will be able to make the account by yourself.